Okay, welcome back. Hormuz is now joining in. 5 minutes to go for the pre-open session with the big movers which we saw on Friday and stuff which saw very large volumes. I mean, in terms of single stocks, there was no dearth. Hormuz, take it away.
Absolutely, Prashant. Morning, and no dearth for single stock movers on Friday's session. Earnings reactions predominantly. The Federal Bank being the first one, is the snapped a 5-day losing streak on Friday, and it was a very, very sharp up move after its results that were announced. It's back at record high levels. It was the biggest single-day gain that the stock saw since September of 2019, and volumes that were the highest since October of 2024. So strong gains on strong volumes. Close to 7 crore shares were traded on Friday. 20-day average of just over 80 lakh shares. Out of those 7 crore shares, 1.3 crore shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just around 51 lakh shares, and it has had a pretty good last 12 months. The stock gained up to 40% back at record high levels. On the downside, though, LTTS or L&T Technology was a negative earnings reaction. The stock ended at a multi-year low, the biggest single-day drop since June of 24. It's declined in 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions. Friday's volumes the highest in nearly 2 months. Close to 5 lakh shares were traded, 20-day average of just 63,000 shares, and out of those 5 lakh shares traded, 2 lakh shares were marked for delivery. Here too, the 20-day average is just 33,000 shares, and it is now down to the lowest level since June of 2023 is LTTS. And lastly, barring LTTS, which was the only IT underperformer, most of the other IT stocks did very well courtesy Infosys' results. Infosys was up almost 5%. Oracle Financial, Tech Mahindra, which is going to be reacting to its results today, that also did very well on Friday's session. And look at the volumes here. Infosys had almost 2 crore shares traded, 20-day average of just around 70 lakh shares. Same is the case for Tech Mahindra, close to 40 lakh shares traded, 20-day average of just around 12 lakh shares. And even on the delivery front, almost 50% of Infosys' trading volumes were marked for delivery. Oracle Financial had its delivery volumes which were almost double its 20-day average as well. So IT stocks did fairly okay. They continue to remain in focus today as well. And watch out for a lot of these banking earnings reactions as well.
All right, Hormuz, thanks very much for that. So those are some individual names. Sudarshan